Welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru, your trusted source for the latest updates and advanced analysis on commodities. In today's video, we bring you a detailed analysis of the pepper market, focusing on both domestic and international trends. Let's dive into the updates for November 13th. Pepper prices in the key domestic markets of Kerala and Karnataka remain stable today. However, market experts suggest potential downward pressure on prices in the coming days due to flat demand and rising imports. In Kerala, the Kochi market reported the following price levels: Ungarbed pepper, 63,900 rupees per quintal. Garbled pepper, 65,900 rupees per quintal. 500 gl pepper, 62,900 rupees per quintal. In Karnataka, prices range between 63,700 rupees and 66,000 rupees per quintal, depending on the grade and region. In key markets like Kushalnaga and Chikamagalur, pepper prices were recorded at 63,800 rupees to 66,000 rupees per quintal. Farmers in Karnataka report favorable agricultural conditions this season, raising expectations for a good harvest. This could add to the existing supply pressures in the coming months. Turning to the Vietnamese market, prices have remained stable, holding steady between 139,500 Vietnamese dongs and 141,000 Vietnamese dongs per kilogram. Local sources indicate that as the coffee harvesting season intensifies, farmers in Vietnam might sell off their pepper stocks to finance the coffee harvest. This could lead to an increase in supply, impacting prices. However, low stock levels in the domestic Vietnamese market are providing some support to spot prices, keeping them relatively stable for now. The international pepper market is witnessing a softening in prices. FOB, free on board, export quotes from major origins show a gradual decline due to weak demand and oversupply during the ongoing harvest season. Indian export demand, particularly from key markets, has also slowed, adding further pressure to the market. Here are the current FOB prices for black pepper from various origins. Brazil Aster, 6,000 United States dollars per metric ton. Vietnam 500 GL, 6,200 United States dollars per metric ton. Vietnam 550 GL, 6,500 United States dollars per metric ton. Indonesia Aster, 6,518 United States dollars per metric ton. Malaysia, 8,500 Malaysian ringgit per metric ton. To summarize, the pepper market, both domestic and international, is currently in a phase of price stability. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Mini Guru for more updates and advanced analysis on commodities. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for the latest insights. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.